everyone, today I'll be comparing the Bomibox to the Beauteque box. Now both of these boxes are Korean beauty subscription services, meaning you will get a curated box of Korean beauty brands every single month. So this video is meant for you to decide which box will work better for you, not necessarily me suggesting one box over the other. And of course, both boxes have their pros and cons, so I would like to share that with you today. Let's first start off with a Bomibox. Now Bomibox is a box I have featured on my channel like a few times already. Now with Bomibox, you get 8 full to deluxe size samples, and there will be a few times where you'll have like a small sample size tucked in here and there. Now this box comes up to about $37.99 per month, but of course you can skip months in case the full size products kind of get too overwhelming for you. While you do pay a pretty high price for this box, it does come with free shipping for all US residents, but they do also ship internationally with a reduced shipping price. In each box you will get an info card right here which details each of the products and their description and how to use them, just in case the product itself just has Korean written on it. And as to what kind of products to expect, you will mostly get skincare, although I did have a couple of makeup products in the past. I have gotten the Etude House lip stains and the Heimish stick eye shadow, but otherwise you can expect all pretty much any step of the 10-step Korean skincare, like cleanser, moisturizer, serums, masks, etc., all that. While with Bomibox you do get 8 full to deluxe size products, do expect to get a few one-use products like sheet masks and the nose strips, which I got in this month. Now Bomibox also has a website called Bomi Beauty, which they sell beauty tools and skincare tools. But if you really liked a product that you received in your monthly box, you probably will not find it on their website to buy individually. So let's move on to the Beauteque Monthly box. Now they do have 2 options that you can pick from, one being the one I got here, which is their skincare / makeup products. They do also have an option if you just want sheet masks, and that is called Mask Maven, and each month I think you get 9 sheet masks for the price of $13 a month. But with their beauty box, you can expect to pay about $22 per month, but you do have to pay for shipping, so that cost comes up to I think about $24 to $25 a month. So in the Beauteque box, you get 6 full size items, so no deluxe size and no one-use items like sheet masks. But for your very first box, you do get a free deluxe size sample. In this month I got the hair mist, which I absolutely love. It smells so good. So it changes each month, so I'm not quite sure what it is this month, but do make sure to put in that code for that free deluxe size sample. What is kind of fun about Beauteque is that each month is a theme, and the theme that I got for my box was Zip Zip Hooray, and I think in October it's Halloween themed, so that's kind of cool and fun. And just like the Bomibox, they do have an info card, and they call theirs their skincare menu. What I really like about how they approach their info card is like kind of why they included the product in the box, and for some products they do kind of give you their personalized tip on how to better use it. And this is probably the most important part, is that they also list the retail price for each product, so you can add it all together and compare it with the price that you paid for the month. I did do an unboxing on my channel like a few months ago, so check that out to see what the individual products that you can expect. My favorite product so far in this box has been the oil blotting paper, and what I really like about Beauteque is that they do have an online shop just like Bomibox, but in their case they have most of the products that they have in their boxes up for sale individually. So if there's a standout product for you in the month, you can definitely go search for it and buy it yourself directly from the site. So that pretty much wraps up the comparison of the Bomibox versus the Beauteque Monthly box. I hope I kind of helped you narrow down your choices as to which Korean beauty box subscription to subscribe to. I honestly think you can't go wrong in any of these boxes. I really enjoy getting these when I do get them. Of course, I don't get them every month, otherwise I will have so many full-size products that it'll be too much for me. When I am feeling up for it, I do go to these boxes. It is a great way to get into the Korean skincare routine. It's also a great way to find out what other brands are out there. And it's also a great way to discover new types of products that haven't necessarily made their way into the US market. Before you go, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if I've intrigued you into getting one or both of these subscription boxes. And I also hope that you subscribe to the channel. I do a mix of Japanese and Korean beauty videos, as well as travel content of my trips to Japan that I take once a year. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!